Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas, and for the last 8 years I've been helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on why don't I see immediate results from meditation? Meditation is a practice, not a quick fix. Progress happens incrementally, with small benefits accumulating over time. Rather than focusing on immediate outcomes, shift your attention to enjoying the practice itself. Each session helps you build self-awareness and emotional resilience, even if the changes aren't immediately obvious. Consistency is key. Meditation is a practice. My experience with athletics, there's a big difference between practice and performance. I believe meditation, when you actually sit, meditation is a form of practice and also performance, just like any form of practice. But I feel like the game or the event or whatever it is that we are sitting in meditation for typically happens outside of meditation. With this being the case, looking at meditation as more as the practice or preparation for what we would want to accomplish or see happen in our lives or within ourselves. This is the practice that leads to that. As far as in whatever outcomes that we desire for ourselves or for our environment, and becoming that thing that we want to be, one little bit at a time. And now let's bring our awareness to the body, and we'll take that awareness to the tips of the nostrils, and we'll hold here, simply observing the flow of air as it passes the tips of the nostrils as we exhale and we inhale. We inhale and we exhale. The small benefits accumulating over time. I can say in my meditation experience, this is very true. It happens very subtly, seemingly slowly, but I think it happens faster than we can give it credit. I think there are so many things that meditation accomplishes. It can be easy to focus on the things that we're focused on and lose perspective on the things that are actually happening that we are not aware of. And we'll bring our awareness back to the tips of the nostrils, observing the flow of air as we inhale, going up the nostrils and then down into the esophagus, filling up the lower lobes of the lungs and the abdomen and belly region. And as we exhale, contracting the abdomen and belly region, forcing air out of the lungs, back up through the esophagus and out through the nostrils, holding this awareness here at the tips of the nostrils and simply observing the flow of air. Maybe our breath is short, maybe it is long. Either way, we simply want to observe and not judge. And now we'll bring our awareness to the feet. Relax the feet. Relax the lower legs. Relax the upper legs. Relax the pelvis. Relax the stomach. Relax the chest. Relax the shoulders. Relax the jaw and the corners of the mouth. Relax the forehead. Namaste.